Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Tara. Nicolai's gonna miss.
Bye, Camp Award!
Extended stay tayo, another day. Yeah. Chill vibes lang tayo ngayon. Mag-swimming, magkwentuhan, and mag-bonding. Let's rewind. Good morning, it's day 4. Ang lamig ng hangin. Hey guys, kain tayo na hash brown and ready-made arroz caldo. Matatapos ko lang magpalipad ng drone. Kasi may fog dun kaso ang layo. So, di ko pinuntahan. Ano masasabi mo pa nagpapalipad ako ng drone? Kinakabahan ka rin ba? Yeah, kinakabahan ka. Kasi 2 beses na yun na aksidente. Flying is fun. Yeah. The big boy is awake. Yeah. Good morning. Hopefully, this part of the Sierra Madre stays this way. Napaka-healthy. Ang daming puno. Pag nasa ganitong setting ka, napakabagal talaga ng oras. Ang sarap. Kakain na naman kami. Sarap kumain pag maulan ng konti. Huwag lang bagyo. Kaya, ay guys, tapos na mag-lunch. Come with me to wash dishes. Ako ang nakatoka maghugas ngayon. So, camping. Yeah! Guys, binalik na nila yung dam ngayon. So, may deep part na uli yung river. Pwede ka nang tumanon. Yun, yeah! Meron pala silang oil pump and fish pa. Pinapakolect niya itong mga nag-gather niyang leaves yung widow namin. And nag-build kami na when we started yesterday. We are just reinforcing it. Hanap kami ng noong unang panahon na 80s and early panghilod. Hindi ka na bibili ng sponge ko. Yung stone ang gagamitin mo yung hilod ng katawan. Yan nung natapos na kami maligo, diniflate ko na itong buo para bukas hindi na siya mahirap ilipin. What are you cooking?
Beef for my natural.
Wow, can we have some?
Sure.
Thanks. Op. Almost dinner. It's 6 o'clock. Marami kami kapitbahay na ngayon. Yan. Kaliwat kanan. Oh. Nice. Op. Hopefully the weather sticks. It's a last dinner. It's our extended time. So our ulam are assorted. Yes. We finish our dinner. Over there. Oh, yun. Dami, oh.
Oh, let's go.
Let's go. We're just gonna go.
Just as far as I want.
Okay. We are in the footpath. This time was so much fun. We took some photo shoot and video shoot na na-shot. Ang saya-saya. Nicolai. Kawash sa mga kalokohan.
Wait.
Nachos and some late for the night.
And kwentuhan
And Smirnoff. Yeah, that was our camping so far. Our 4th camping in 1 year, no? 4 na beses, no? What you gonna miss?
Camp Award.
Yeah. But we'll be back for sure, right?
So,
Hey, Nicolai's gonna miss Camp Awol. Maganda rin naman talaga kasi dito. We'll clean up and pack up tomorrow. So, for us, good night muna tonight. Bye. Good morning, guys. It's our 5th day, last day today. Medyo umambon today. Hopefully, don't drink too much. Papasok kami ng dito. And then,
walang tatalo sa peacefulness ng breakfast by the river. Solid. Medyo maaga pa dito kaya na RC car muna kami. Oops! Bumagsak ang camera. But this was fun. Ang galing ng batang mag-drive, oh.
unti-unti na kami na dismantle. Kumakain muna si Nicolai. Wow! We're going home! Mom is cleaning inside the bedroom already. Ay guys, eto na ulit ang pond. Yan yung mga cabin na sinasagot. And ayun yung tent city. Tapos may river deck na sila dun. So, nagdagdag sila ng flat 4.
Yung sa pagkain na lang ng box para ilagay ko na dito.
Nung first camping namin last year, wala pa kaming roof deck. Bawat camping, dumadami yung aming gear. Oh no! What will we add on our next camping trip? Hulaan nyo!
We're ready to go. We're gonna go home. There's Nikolai. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye, Camp Awol. See you again.
Since last year talagang na-enjoy na namin ang camping. For sure, babalik kami ulit ng camping. Hopefully, sa ibang campground naman. But, definitely, we will be back dito sa Camp Awol dahil maganda at mababait ang staff dito.